everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahi. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you my lip balm collection. So basically recently I got some requests to talk about lip balms, and I have a lot of lip balms to talk about. So I thought of sharing my top 6 lip balms which are under rupees 300 I believe, because I don't invest in expensive lip balms. I have pretty affordable and good quality lip balms. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to follow me on Insta, because this look is on my Insta. Go check it. So I'm going to be starting off by the expensive end first. So the most expensive lip balm that I own is this. This is the Nykaa Lip Crush Macaron Balm Chocolate Hazelnut. So this retails for 249, like 250 rupees, and you get 8 gram of product, which is pretty amazing because the quantity is more than any other lip balm which I'm going to talk about. So it has like 8 gram of product, and this is also vegan and cruelty free, and it contains vitamin E and shea butter, which is what it's mentioned in the ingredient. Rest आपको ingredients कुछ mention नहीं होंगे ज़्यादा. So these are the two things which are mentioned. As you can see, I've used a lot of it, and also this is my second tub. I've finished one, and this is like looks a bit brownish, but actually it's a transparent lip balm. Talking about this lip balm contains no color, so it's a transparent lip balm. It has a very tasty, yummy fragrance which you won't mind because it's really good. Third thing is the packaging. It's really cute. It's like very cute lip balm, like a very fancy one. Fourth thing, it's a very light in texture, so it doesn't feel heavy, greasy at all. And also it stays for 2 hours, not more than that, because it's not that heavy or moisturizing. If I have to talk about the cons, it's not something which is made for someone जिनके बहुत chapped या dry lips हो. So I like to use it before my makeup, because उसके बाद अगर मैं liquid lipstick भी लगाऊँ तो वो greasy नहीं लगती. Also I like to use it when I don't want that hydration, like that extra hydration. When I don't have basically chapped lips, this is a lip balm which I go to, and I really like this. But if you have like a extremely chapped lips or extremely dehydrated lips, this is not a lip balm for you, because it's not that thick or moisturizing. But in all, this is a really nice lip balm. I won't recommend this to all of you. If you like the packaging, if you want to try this, you can go for it. But this is not something which I would say you need to have in your life. So yeah. The second lip balm is this. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips Color Lip Balm in the limited edition one. It's like Alia limited edition. So इसके अंदर आपको 4 variants मिलेंगे, 4 different color, and मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा bright color pick किया था इसमें. That's in the color Eyeline White. So this retails for 175 rupees, and you get 4 gram of product. This is the lip balm, and it comes with this baby lip की जो normal packaging है उसमें. If I swatch this one, you can see it's very pigmented. So this is one of those lip balm, अगर आपको lipstick लगाना नहीं पसंद, but you still need some hint of color on your lips, this is a lip balm you need to go for. Maybelline makes excellent lip balms, because उनकी जो baby lips की collection है, that's really good, and it's also the same formula. Everything I feel the same. मेरे पास मैंने पहले बहुत बार baby lips use किया हुआ है, so I know that formula and I know this one too. So both formulas are almost the same. So if I have to talk about this lip balm, this is a glossier lip balm, so you can see it has a very sheen to it. Next, it's very hydrating on lips, like very hydrating, extremely moisturizing at the same time. जब भी आप कुछ खाएंगे, अगर इसका लिप बाम की जो शीन है वो चली भी जाएगी, it gives a very beautiful tint. Let me show you. So if I do this, and I can still see the tint. So this is the tint which will stay, and you can see यहाँ पर भी tint आ चुका है. So it gives a very beautiful tint. If you don't want to invest in tints, you can definitely invest in this baby lip balm. This lasts for 3 to 4 hours easily, so it's a really nice product in all. So I really recommend this for this to someone who's into lip balms, like into colored lip balms. So this is a really nice product. So yeah, this is the second lip balm. So the third lip balm is again from Nykaa. So these are the Nykaa Cereal Kisser lip balm. These retails for rupees 175, same price of the Maybelline, and the quantity is 4.5 gram. Quantity is more, and this is in the name. This is in the shade pomegranate, and this is in the shade I think vanilla. Yeah, show you. You can see this one is completely finished, so I've only stored it for like a product empties video, and this is about to finish. So ये भी इतना बचा है. So let me swatch again. This is a transparent lip balm, so you can't see any color in this. So talking about this lip balm is extremely moisturizing, hydrating. The packaging is really good. It's solid. ये कहीं से भी flimsy नहीं है. Packaging अच्छी है. Thirdly, it's hydrating on your lips. So if you have chapped, dry lips, you can definitely try these because these are really good. These are really hydrating. The fourth and the good thing is it's a clear lip balm. I think most of them are clear lip balms, so that's a really good thing because अगर आप tinted lip balm यूज़ कर रहे हो तो आप अगर उसके ऊपर लिपस्टिक लगाओ तो उसका शेड चेंज हो जाता है, बट इनके साथ ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. एंड द फिफ्थ थिंग, इट्स नॉन ग्रीसी और नॉन वैक्सी स्टिकी. बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं है कि बहुत अच्छे से कंफर्टेबल आपके लिप्स पे रहता है. एंड दिस इजीली स्टेज फॉर 3 to 4 hours. So these were the pros of this lip balm. The con is like it has like a very strong fragrance which I don't like. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, this को ना irritate you a bit. Maybelline वाले में भी थोड़ी सी fragrance है strong, but इसकी मुझे ज़्यादा strong लगती है. So yep. The fourth lip balm is this. This is the Wadi Herbal Lip Balm. This is the third tub like I am using, and this is also about to finish. See, मैंने इसे भी बहुत use किया है. So in all, I'm very crazy about lip balms, and I always apply lip balm घर पर. So this is the Wadi lip balm in strawberry, and this retails for 48 rupees, and you get 6 gram of product. So just imagine how affordable this lip balm is. If I have to talk about the lip balm, this heals your lip. Like this is kind of lip balm that heals cracked, chapped lips like nothing else. It's one of the best lip balms I've ever tried. It's super duper affordable. It sits beautifully. It's like, this one is transparent in color. Tried this in mint earlier, and this is strawberry. So मैंने 2 बार mint try किया, वो भी transparent था, and ये भी transparent है. So it's really good for that. Makes your lips so soft, so comfortable. अगर आपके chapped lips है, ये बहुत अच्छा lip balm आपके लिए. Also the packaging is good. It's not flimsy. So in all, this is one of the best lip balm. I highly recommend you to invest in this because ये 50 rupees का ही है maximum, and the quality is something you should give a try, and I really love it. So if you are into lip balm and if you're looking for a lip balm, check this one. Wadi Herbals are really good. So मैंने जितने भी अभी तक आपको lip balms बताए हैं, सब अवेलेबल है नायका से, and मैंने सब अवेलेबल है नायका पर, and मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सारे नायका से ही लिए. So this is a really nice lip balm, and I highly recommend this one. Fifth lip balm is this Borolin. So अगर आप इसकी कंडीशन देख रहे हैं, you can see how much I love this. So this retails for 35 rupees, and the quantity, and ये मैंने इतना पिचका दिया है कि इसकी and the quantity is 20 gram. So आप देख सकते हैं ये ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने वाला है. And I only use this for my lips. कभी कभी मैं इसे अपने फुट पे या कहीं अपने एल्बोज पे यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, बट मेनली मैं इसे अपने लिप्स पे यूज़ करती हूँ. सो इमेजिन हाउ मच आई लव दिस. आई यूज़ दिस एवरी सिंगल नाइट. सोने से पहले आई डू यूज़ दिस बिकॉज वन ऑफ दोज लिप बाम जो आपकी, अगर आपके चैप ड्राई लिप्स है, ये इसको प्रॉपरली हील करता है, प्रॉपरली मॉइस्चराइज करता है. सो other than the Wadi Herbal lip balm, I really love this lip balm. This is one of the best lip balm. This is something you should have even if you don't want to invest in a lip balm. इसके और भी बहुत benefits है. It's something which also good for elbows, knees. अगर आपकी बहुत dry skin है, आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है because it's very thick. Let me show you. It's very thick and very moisturizing at the same time. So I really love using this, and I also use this for my hands. अगर मेरे hands winters में बहुत dry हो जाते हैं तो मैं वो तब भी इसे यूज़ करती हूँ, and ये बहुत देर तक लास्ट करता है, and इसकी फ्रेगरेंस भी बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे अच्छी लगती है. I don't know about you. but I like the fragrance of Borolin. So yeah, this is the 5th lip balm that you should invest in. The 6th lip balm, and a lip balm I think you all must be having, is Vaseline. So Vaseline का बेनिफिट्स बताने के, आई डोंट नो यू, आई नीड टू टेल यू गाइज, बट वैसलीन हमारा गोल्डी प्रोडक्ट है. यू शुड हैव अ वैसलीन. वैसलीन के बहुत बेनिफिट्स है. वैसलीन आई समटाइम्स यूज़ फॉर माई लैशेज बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड कि लैशेज भी ग्रो होती है वैसलीन से. आई लाइक टू यूज़ इट फॉर माई अंडर आई समटाइम्स. आई लाइक टू यूज़ इट फॉर माई लिप्स. आई लाइक टू यूज़ इट ऑन माई हेयर समटाइम्स टू जस्ट लाइक, जब ऐसे भूत बनी हूँ मैं तो इस पर मैं इसे लगा कर भी इसको थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट कर देती हूँ. इन ऑल वैसलीन इज़ अमेजिंग, एक्स्ट्रा हाइड्रेटिंग फॉर योर लिप्स, मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रैक्ड चैप्ड लिप्स के लिए बेस्ट है. So this is the Vaseline Lip Care Total Moisturizer 24-hour Moisturized Lips. So this one retails for 45 rupees and you get 10 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड डोंट रिमेंबर ये कितने का है, बट इन ऑल दोनों बहुत इनएक्सपेंसिव है. सो इन ऑल यू शुड हैव वैसलीन. टू recommend some some lip balm, I highly recommend the Borolin, Vadi Herbals and normal Vaseline because these are the best and the goldies. अगर आपको फैंसी लिप बाम में ट्राई करना है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन द नायका सीरियल किसर. एंड इफ़ यू आर इन टू colored lip balms, Maybelline Baby Lips is the best. I wasn't including the Nyka's that Lip Crush lip balm because I wanted to make the video very affordable, like 200 के under lip balms. But I really wanted, but then I thought कि you must be interested in this lip balm because मैंने बहुत बार अपने tutorials में से share किया हुआ है. So you will be asking me कि मैंने इसे क्यों नहीं share किया. So that's why I shared this. Yeah, these were the lip balms that I own and that I recommend to you guys. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.